This is the Genie 3120L. It is virtually identical to the Genie 3120. It offers the same quiet DC motor with the soft start, soft stop control. It's rated up to a 7-second open travel speed. In fact, it even shares the same interchangeable one-piece rail assembly that you can get in a belt or a chain. In fact, the only thing different about this garage door opener motor is the fact that it has built-in LED lights. And in this video, we're going to answer these questions. Are these LED lights enough? And who should buy it? Let's party. So for context, the model I have in front of me is the Genie 3120 HLB. The H designation is for the 6-foot power cord for high ceilings. The L designation is for the LEDs. And the B designation is for the optional battery backup. And the reason why that's important is because Genie offers this motor in 3 other variations. It comes as the 3120HL, the 3120HB, and the 3120B. So if you want a garage door opener motor that has built-in LEDs, then you want to go with the HL or HLB. All 4 of these garage door opener motors have the Wi-Fi Aladdin Connect feature built in, and aesthetically, they look identical. Which baffles me because Genie already offers a number of garage door opener motors, and their different SKUs tend to convolute and confuse customers on simply buying the best garage door opener motor for their needs. So when you visit Genie's website, you'll notice that they don't highlight the LED feature to this garage door opener motor. In fact, they don't even list the specific lumens to these built-in LEDs. I had to reach out to a representative from Genie in order to get the right lumen count to this garage door opener motor, and he did confirm for me that the LED output to this garage door opener is about 1600 lumens. Now, Genie touts that these built-in LEDs will not emit interference to the remote transmitters, and that's been one of the plaguing effects of going with LED bulbs on a garage door opener motor. LED bulbs tend to emit an electrical interference that will hinder the range or performance of your remote transmitters. So the fact that these LED bulbs mitigate that interference is a big plus. But Genie already had that technology. In fact, they manufactured a great garage door opener LED bulb. This is the Genie garage door opener LED bulb that outputs 800 lumens each with a omnidirectional soft light effect. Okay, quick story. So legend goes that the old CEO from GE was hired from Genie, and when that guy left GE, he was like, "Peace out, losers." Of course, one of the new things that this new CEO from Genie did was make a new product. And he was like, "Listen up, new losers. I got a big idea that's gonna make us a lot of money, and it's a bright one." Honestly, I really don't know how that went down, but the legend does confirm that this is the product that was made, this LED bulb that does not emit an electrical interference, and this is one of Genie's top-selling accessories. So when Genie decided to put built-in LEDs in their 3120, I thought it was going to be bigger, brighter, and better. But they're really not. In fact, at 1600 lumens, the lighting that it offers is subpar at best, and the dimmest compared to the 3000 lumens that the competition offers. And for context, I shot footage comparing the built-in LEDs on the 3120L against the standard 3120, but with the Genie LED bulb. Keep in mind, these bulbs output 800 lumens, so you tell me which one looks brighter. Here it is again. To your eye, which option offers better lumens? And one more time, which LED seems better to you? Now I realize that results may vary and I am shooting this footage in a dark, dim space. Thus take into account that those LEDs might look very different in your garage. But the point that I wanted to highlight in this video is that Genie already had a really good LED solution, so to add built-in LEDs in the 3120 seems a bit redundant. In fact, the LEDs on the 3120L and by extension the retail products like the 7055L or the 7155 might be too warm for some homeowners' needs. So are these built-in LEDs to the Genie 3120L, aka HLB, enough? Well, in my opinion, no, not if you're looking for a high lumen output. The 1600 lumens that this garage door motor offers is on the low side, and compared to the standard 3120 with the Genie LED bulbs, this unit is a bit warm and dim. Now that does not mean that this is a bad garage door opener motor, quite the opposite. It offers an excellent operating experience. It's one of the few motors that will work within a low head space situation, and the fact that you can put an interchangeable one-piece rail assembly is always a plus. So who should buy this motor? Well, honestly, I think it's well suited for the elderly and disabled, mainly because there's less maintenance in having to replace those LED bulbs. Property managers might find this motor appealing. For example, some multi-garage complexes have limited lighting. Thus, the LEDs could add additional lighting under those circumstances. Good lighting to a garage provides that safe transfer from the outside world into the comfort of one's home. And that's pretty much it. I think most do-it-yourselfers will buy the retail version of this garage door opener motor, the 7155L, that comes at a much cheaper price point. And for dealer contractors, I believe most of them will go with the regular 3120 and simply tack on or put on the Genie LED bulb. Now, if you have a question about this garage door opener motor or another garage door opener motor, then please leave a question or a comment down below. And of course, the pro tips, techniques, and ideas in these videos should not be considered law or infallible. Why? Because I am nobody. In fact, the only opinion that matters here is your opinion, the viewer's opinion, because no one knows your needs better than you do. And so, if the Genie 3120L sounds like a party to you, well then please check out some of the links below. In fact, if you found any value out of this video, hit that like button, and I do hope you consider subscribing. That's going to be it for this one, party people. I want to thank you so much for partying with me and watching this video. Now check out this other video right here that can provide you more pro tips and tech reviews for your residential garage door needs. And as always, y'all stay safe.